Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Bilal Iqbal from Arid Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. My added number is 19884542 and from section B. Now our practical is today we perform is the sowing of brinjal seed in a pot. In this regard, because these vegetables are grown with the seeds, we grow in the pot. First of all, we fill the pot with soil, which is maybe this is the soil which is a mixture of soil, sweet soil and manure, and this is a mixture of the three component. And this we fill the pot. First of all, we put the stone in the, this is the hole in the pot. We put a stone in the hole. This stone is put for the purpose that water drainage is slowly, water may stay in the pot for some time. This is the way of putting stone in the pot. And now we fill the pot with the soil. We fill the pot top from a half inch below for the application of water. And we have not, after filling the pot, we level it by leveler. I don't have a leveler in this nursery, so I level it from this gadget. By hand we can level it, because I don't have the leveler. So the water irrigated it properly. After leveling it, we sown the seed of brinjal vegetable. Counted seed is sown in the pot. For example, these are the seeds of brinjal vegetable. We grow the counted seed in that way. Some seeds are I sown. Now we fill it with the fertilizer, or we can also fill it that with the soil, but we fill it with the fertilizer. This is also called the fertilizer, which is very porous for the very porous, which the seeds grow very well in this porous soil. We in this way we cover the seeds by this fertilizer or the manure. Now our process of seed sowing is complete. After that, we irrigate the brinjal seed by the application of sprinkler application of water. Now we can irrigate the sowing seeds of brinjal vegetable by the sprinkle irrigation. We can irrigate by normal water is given to the seed sowing, that seed germinate very well. Now seeds grow within 3 to 4 weeks, and in this way we sown the seeds of brinjal vegetable, because the brinjal is grown with the seed. That person is the nursery owner which gave me the permission to perform a practical. I am very thankful to you for the permission. Thank you sir, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका, आपने मुझे इजाज़त दी, शुक्रिया।